Hey guys, it's Ashley, Carolina Trailer Sales, carolinatrailersales.com. We're located in Colfax, North Carolina. We are by appointment only. You can reach me at 828-773-4500. I'm gonna try to fight against the wind today. Hopefully this video will turn out okay. So what I have is a immaculate. When I say immaculate, I mean immaculate 2017 Lakota Charger. This would be an 8315 short wall with a slide. So I'm just gonna kind of walk around, point out some things. I cannot fault this trailer for anything on the outside. No scratches, no damage, no dents, nothing. This trailer was custom ordered for a customer, one owner. So it does have dual hydraulic jacks, lockable battery box. It does have a stainless nose. You're gonna see kind of some, well, it's a reflection. It's a reflection from this sundowner onto this trailer. So just forget about that. I promise it's not gonna be there once the sun is not hitting this trailer this way. So you'll see some lines of a reflection off of the sundowner beside of it. It's really making the video look weird, and I'm sorry, y'all. All right, so this trailer has a huge power awning. Gosh, that looks weird. Inside, outside speakers. Does have light on the outside. Does have a load light here on this side with drop windows. It does have aluminum wheels. Let me go around to the other side real quick and then I'll be back to the back again. So it does have an escape door with a step. Again, another load light on this side. It does have drop windows on this side with bars and screens. 2 mangers. And it does have that step at the escape door. All right, so this has a rear collapsible tack. This trailer does have a blanket bar, brush box, bridle hooks, and the saddle racks. And again, I mean, immaculate. There is absolutely nothing that I can fault this trailer for. It actually still smells new. You really cannot tell a horse has been in this trailer. Fully lined and insulated. It does have fans. Okay, it does have the lower divider. I mean, the trailer, I mean, for lack of better terms, I mean, you could say it's practically new. It still smells like the rubber mats. The padding is not even touched. All right, so again, I promise this trailer doesn't have these lines on it. It's not the best spot for me to do the video today, but it worked out to do it this way and leave it parked. So guys, I'm sorry. All right, so I'm gonna step in the LQ, which mind you is a very, very pretty LQ. This would be the hickory interior. And this would be the layout that has the couch on the riser wall. This trailer does have the slide with a dinette. So you've got 3 sleeping places in this trailer. You would have the sleeping place here in the dinette. You have a jackknife couch here. And then of course the bed area up in the nose. Steps up to the bed. This is an angled rear kitchen. So you've got the TV, microwave. You got actually 3 burner stove. Two sinks, big fridge to the rear, big bathroom with a small wardrobe and a set of drawers. Sink and vanity area. Fantastic fan. Good size shower. Walk through door. As I said, guys, this trailer is immaculate. It looks brand new. I cannot fault this trailer for anything whatsoever. The tires on it are G-rated 14 ply. They are not the tires that came on the trailer. Customer put really expensive tires on this trailer, so it's got great tires. Big open floor plan. Pretty trailer, guys. Camper door as well. All right, just gonna step out. Now y'all see how that reflection's on this trailer beside of me. So again, 2017 Charger, Lakota Charger. I'm gonna put this a 10-10 in condition. I cannot fault this trailer whatsoever for anything. All right, guys, Carolina Trailer Sales, CarolinaTrailerSales.com. We're located in Colfax, North Carolina. You guys have a great day.